How to change the cartridge and post filter for the Hardless NG. The first thing to do is turn off the main water valve. Next, in order to release the pressure from inside the unit, turn the jet or open the valve if that is what you use until you see a large spray and let the water come out. Once it looks like most of the water has come out, you can turn the product base clockwise until it separates from the top. Now you are ready to replace the post filter and the cartridge. I've got my new post filter and cartridge ready to go. Remove the post filter from the product base. Remove the rod and push up on the end with the black O-ring to remove the cap. Push in the other direction with your fingers on the black O-ring. Twist out the stainless steel filter. Remove the cartridge and again with your fingers on the black O-ring, twist the stainless steel filter back into the new post filter. Replace the cap on the end that doesn't have the black O-ring. Replace the cartridge slots facing up, replace the rod, and fit securely into the product base. Now let's put your filter back together. Twist the product base back onto the filter top until you can no longer twist. You don't have to over-close it. Close the jet or valve so that you don't get splashed when turning back on the main water. Slowly turn on the main water. I've got a small drip, so I'm just closing that. But actually, now you're going to turn the valve and wash the unit for 30 seconds. And now you're good to go for another 6 months.